Transco FastConnect is the revolutionary electrical wiring solution promising easy connection in seconds. This is Transco FastConnect switch model 1cc using twin and earth cable. Insert power active into terminal C. Loop terminal C to next switch. Insert switched active into terminal 1. Insert suitable round shaft and push across the lock. Do the same on next switch. No stripping, no twisting, no trimming, no bending, no screwing, no fault. A screw connector is often used to join wires. Transco Fast Wire Connector makes this job much easier. Just insert the wires and clamp. With award-winning Transco FastConnect, the perfect cable solution is always moments away.